right, so we're professionals here, okay?
Sure.
So this is the design layout. So I wanted to show you all the visuals.
Wait, are we speaking to somebody? Like a customer?
I'm showing you, and you're gonna tell me what you like.
Okay, cool.
Because this is how it's gonna go down.
So you're kind of presenting it to me.
I'm presenting it
Got
to
it.
you, and you're gonna tell
This
me
is awesome, by the way. It's like
if it all is cohesive.
this is kind of what's working in your brain.
This is what's working in my brain, and I had to like come up with all this.
Good way to put it.
So we can kind of see visually how it all looks.
Yeah, and then
Together.
this is the restroom.
So this is for the restroom, and we are gonna do like a lot of mixing of materials. So we are using like this like antique antique with silver. I wanted to do mixed materials because I think it looks cool. See? Don't you think that looks cool? So these are gonna be like the silver is gonna be like the handles.
Yeah.
Not this
No, I
particular
get it.
one,
But I mean, this is close enough.
close enough. And this is what I'm so excited for. The floors, we're gonna do a herringbone, as you can see in my...
You know what we forgot to do is buy the sealer for this. Remember that lady said?
Oh yeah.
To get the sealer because it breaks down.
Sealer. And then the bathroom is just gonna be a regular subway tile. Don't move that because it's broken.
I wouldn't have mind this whole house with this.
Floor?
Yeah. Like if I wouldn't have mind. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but maybe we might love it. Who knows? When it gets refinished. I just like the idea that like.
Well, this is the.
Because there's a lot of crevices right now with the even with filler, there's a lot of crevices.
Yeah, but our wood is like a natural oak. This is like what it looks like.
I think the guy said it was called I think white oak.
I don't think it's white oak. White oak is like
No,
like this.
I think the guy
This is
knows.
oak. No, I'm telling you, I know. This is a white oak.
Okay.
This is more of a, like a cherry, and that's what the floors look like. So we have to kind of stick with that because we're not trying to spend more money to like, you know, do extras. So the vibe is kind of...
Did you have is this a sample for the countertops?
These are the countertops, yes. Just very clean, very contemporary. White cabinets, white shaker cabinets with this design. And lots of leathers because I just think that that's so cozy.
Yeah.
And
couch. Did you ever pick up the 2 chairs that you were supposed to? Remember those chairs?
No.
When they're
I
$100 or
lost them.
something? Oh. Like I lost a dishwasher. Got it.
Yeah. So this is the design. What do you think?
I think it's great. I think, like, as a good point, is probably like where you get some of the stuff and how you become budget friendly with it, because I think it's relatively important. So, like, how did you end up with this versus something else?
Well, this was on sale and it was like $200 and I got it for like 75 bucks.
Yeah.
So I'm here for all the deals. And it took a lot of research to come up with all these things and hours of sourcing all of these products to kind of make it one big thing.
And I think that's like when you watch like a home improvement like show, a lot of it has to do with like how you end up with like the materials, and not necessarily like if you have a vision, but like, oh, I want this specific thing, but then you're like, well, that doesn't meet the budget, so you get something very close or something that's a little bit further away, but like still meets the
Yeah, well,
the
what I was
aesthetic.
doing with that is like I was going to like the big websites or like big designers, and if they had something similar to this, I was just literally Googling it, and then it will show me like everything from like $50 to like $500, and obviously I'm gonna go with the cheaper one.
Yeah.
So that's what you could do. Today we are going to Home Depot to pick out all of our countertops, cabinets. We had a sweet lady helping us, Helena, in White
Yeah.
Settlement.
drawers.
Drawers.
She did a little schematic. Are you gonna show her the little?
We're gonna put all that in.
Yeah, the little draw up. What do they call it? Diagram.
Yeah, which I've already
rendering-
did that
rendering.
that whole rendering. I did it already, and then she just redid it just for measurements.
Like legitimate measurements.
Like legitimate measurements.
Yeah.
Yeah, mines weren't
She
precise.
put the actual inches and so forth. So.
Yeah. Okay. Quartz. These are our cabinets. This is what Javi did. So we're going to pick out some quartz today. Oh, I'm trying to see if I see. Okay. Anyways, I do like this stone mark. This is the Calatrava. Just have like, what do you think? Like that? So these are the price per square foot. Samples. What is the name of it?
Carrera Emporio.
Here's some samples. Is that too like basic? Is that too minimal?
I would say that your best bet is to start off with this and then go and then find them in here.
I know. I do.
Oh.
I mean, I like this way.
Oh.
But
I personally would like something more like in the stone world. Like this. I really like this.
no.
Oh, okay, no.
That's like, I mean, yes, if it was our house.
Or this
If you
one.
don't do it right, it's not going to be good.
Okay.
I definitely don't like that. I think it because I wanted it to be like pretty much mostly white and very small veins that are in that like terracotta color. So like, you know, it's like a light versus like not gray. Like this one here is like a gray vein.
Can you find it in the cheaper version
or
too?
this is like a green vein.
Like
I
this,
don't want it
like
gray.
terracotta emperor. This one. See, or even this one.
Right? Like, that says it's a solid surface.
I know it's solid surface means it's made out of acrylic versus like an actual stone.
This is not stone, it's still a quartz.
Oh, but it's half the price.
Well, it's a very small piece. We're gonna see. So you see how this one has like gray vein versus like this more creamier color? Or what? More of a cream one.
Where's it? Where this? Oh, it's over here in this large size. This one?
This one.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Quote on this. I want to get a quote on this, and then we can.
Can we find one?
This one is kind of nice too, but it has more gray.
Can we get one from this side just to see what the price difference is? I think the closest thing you're gonna get is this or this one. There's a lot less lines in that one.
Like, it reminds me of, can you see?
Yeah.
This reminds me of like when you go get your nails done, they have like acrylic countertop surface, like that's what it looks like. But sure, we could get the price.
That one has more vascularity over there, like that ice,
Which one?
this ice one. Or this one, Gulf Coast.
I just don't think these.
Yeah, they're not as pretty. I would definitely for sure don't think that the patterns are as. This is almost white. Like you're not gonna see a lot of
The vein, yeah. Okay.
of
so
that
what-
vascularity in it. I mean, let's just see the price, right? Let's just.